Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make Google Calendar public. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that I have multiple calendars here, and let's suppose that if I want to make this calendar public, so what I can do is, here you can see these three dots next to the name. So I will just click on these three dots here, and I will open up settings and sharing, and then here you can see that we have the settings for this specific calendar here. Okay, so I will click on this access permission for events, click on this one, and then here you can see that we have this option here where it says make available to public. So click on this one and then click on OK here, and now here this is basically saying that you can basically set the permissions for other persons, that if they see your calendar here, what they can basically do with it. So they can see all event details here, or they can see only free or busy here. So you can set this according to your needs. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.